Welcome to the session on new revision of Newton's law of viscosity. After going through this session, you will be able to define velocity gradient. Also, you will be able to define steady flow. You will be able to state Newton's law of viscosity. You will be define coefficient of viscosity, and you will be able to state the CGS and SI units of coefficient of viscosity. So before going to Newton's law of viscosity, let us first see what is a steady flow. It is also called as streamline flow of liquid. So consider a horizontal surface and imagine that a liquid is flowing in horizontal direction on this surface and it is moving steadily or slowly. All the liquid layers, they are moving in the same direction and they are parallel to each other. So flow of liquid can be shown like this diagram. So you can see that all the layers of liquid, they are moving in the same direction and they are parallel to each other. Also you can see that in a steady flow of liquid, as we move away from the solid surface, the velocity of liquid layers, it goes on increasing. The velocity of the layer in contact with the solid surface is 0. Now consider a liquid layer having a velocity v. The layer just above this layer has a velocity v plus dv. Here dv is the change in velocity of liquid layers. And the spacing between the liquid layers is suppose dx. Means as distance changes by dx, the velocity changes by dv. So this change in velocity is called as velocity gradient, and therefore we can define velocity gradient as change in velocity per unit change in distance between liquid layers. Hence velocity gradient is equal to dv by dx and its unit will be per second. Now let us see what is Newton's law of viscosity. So mostly ह्याच्यावरती 4 मार्काला क्वेश्चन येतो. State and explain Newton's law of viscosity. Hence define coefficient of viscosity and state its either CGS unit or SI unit. सो ह्याच्या आन्सरमध्ये काय काय लिहिणार बघा आपण. स्टेटमेंट, फॉर्म्युला, इटाची डेफिनेशन आणि त्याचं युनिट. सो न्यूटन्स लॉचं स्टेटमेंट कसं असेल पहा. फॉर अ स्टेडी फ्लो ऑफ लिक्विड, the tangential viscous force acting on a liquid layer is directly proportional to number 1 area of the layer and number 2 velocity gradient present in the liquid. Its mathematical form will be F is proportional to A and F is proportional to dV by dx. Hence F is proportional to A into dV by dx. Here the proportionality constant is taken as eta. And therefore equation for Newton's law will be F is equal to eta A dV by dx. Now this coefficient of viscosity, the proportionality constant, it is defined as the viscous force per unit area per unit velocity gradient. And its formula will be eta is equal to F upon A dV by dx. So you can see that from this formula we can write its SI unit as Newton second per meter square. And CGS unit of eta will be dyne second per centimeter square. This CGS unit of eta is also called as poise. So this is all about Newton's law of viscosity. सो काय काय लिहायचे पहा तुम्हाला ह्या क्वेश्चनच्या आन्सरमध्ये. स्टेटमेंट, फॉर्म्युला, इटाची डेफिनेशन आणि इटाचं युनिट. आणि लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे की न्यूटन्स लॉ हा फक्त स्टेडी फ्लोलाच अप्लाय होतो. आणि हा जो विस्कस फोर्स आहे लिक्विड लेअरवर ॲक्ट होणारा, हा त्या लेअरला कसा लिहिलेला आहे पहा. टँजेन्शियल आहे. म्हणजेच तर त्या लेअरला पॅरलल असेल हा फोर्स आणि हा विस्कस फोर्स आहे. त्यामुळे ह्याचं काम काय असणार आहे. लेयरचे रिलेटिव्ह स्पीड कमी करणे आणि म्हणून ज्या डायरेक्शननं लिक्विड लेअर चालली आहे त्याच्या अपोजिट डायरेक्शननी आणि लेअरला टँजेन्शियल डायरेक्शननी ॲक्ट होणारा हा फोर्स असेल. सो दिस इज न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ विस्कॉसिटी. इथे आपण डायरेक्ट मेन्शन केलेले आहेत CGS आणि SI युनिट्स इटाचे, पण हा जो इटाचा फॉर्म्युला दिलेला आहे त्याच्यावरून तुम्हाला ते डिराईव्ह पण करता आले पाहिजेत युनिट्स. आणि म्हणून तुमच्यासाठी क्वेश्चन्स काय आहेत पहा. हे शॉर्ट आन्सर क्वेश्चन्स आहेत. derive SI unit of eta, derive CGS unit of eta and obtain relation between these two units. So in this session we have seen steady flow, of liquid. We have also seen velocity gradient and its unit. We also discussed Newton's law of viscosity, and we also discussed coefficient of viscosity and its unit. So in the next session we will see what is Stokes law of viscosity. Thank you.